Together with me today is Mr. Casey, a senior pharmacist in Institut Kanser Negara and Pharmaceutical Unit, to take you and me to the journey on how the chemotherapy drug is prepared. Hello, Mr. Casey.
Hi everyone, it's my pleasure to be here today with you guys. So today it will be grateful for me to share with you guys how's the preparation of chemotherapy in Institut Kanser Negara.
Before we go any further, perhaps Mr. Casey would like to talk about what is chemotherapy is all about.
Alright, so before we go further into chemotherapy, so let us learn a little bit about what is actually cancer. Cancer can happen when the body cells are not following the same pathway every time the cells are created. This is what we call cell reproduction. These new cells are needed to replace the dead cells. Thus, when the cells are not following the same route, this will affect the body, and if not treated fast, it will damage the organ and eventually the entire body. That is why we need the chemotherapy drug to kill these cancer cells. Cytotoxic drugs are therapeutic agents which are known to be toxic and to be used to destroy the cancer cell in the treatment of cancer.
Oh, so this drug is actually killing the bad cells only?
Yes, actually chemotherapy will kill all the cancer cells. At the meantime, it will kill also the good cells in our body. That is why chemotherapy is considered as a hazardous drug and needed to be handled properly for the intended treatment only. Alright, Shamil, so now would you like to join me to see how chemotherapy is prepared in the pharmacy?
Oh, quite interesting. Absolutely. I will train you and me together to see the chemotherapy lab.
Alright, let's go.
Done!
Okay, Shamil, as you can see here, this is the clean room that we actually use to prepare all the cytotoxic drugs before we can dispense to the patient.
Oh, this is the room that we use to prepare any chemotherapy drug that we have to do for the patient. Why we have to do it in the special room like this, Mr. Casey?
Alright, Shamil, without a doubt, actually dangerous and also hazardous drugs such as chemotherapy, they are dangerous to humans. We need to have a special procedure to handle it. Thus, chemotherapy needs to be kept in special store and handle it with special care, such as wearing PPE like jumpsuits, gloves and also respirator. Then all this medication will be prepared by the skilled pharmacy staff in the clean room to ensure that all medications prepared are with good quality and safe to be used by the patient. Okay, Shamil, so we actually don't want bacteria or viruses to be injected into the patient, right?
Yeah, absolutely. That's why we have to prepare this chemotherapy in this safe environment. Oh, I can see that this person inside there are wearing all white and so clean. Why?
Yeah, he is actually one of the pharmacy staff, okay? So as you can see, he is dressed and equipped with the jumpsuit, okay? And also other PPE such as respirator and also glove. On top of that, the cytotoxic drug is prepared in the special biosafety cabinet inside the clean room. So Shamil, what is so special about this? This cabinet and also the clean room actually provides a sterile and clean environment for the preparation of cytotoxic drugs. Meanwhile, it also protects the personnel from exposure to the hazardous and also cytotoxic substances. Alright, Shamil, so that is why only well-trained and validated personnel are only allowed to enter the clean room and to prepare the cytotoxic drugs for the patients.
Oh, I can see that. That's why this is a very dangerous job. That's why we have to make sure that the person that is going to be in the room is a well-trained and a special person that can handle this dangerous drug. Right?
Yes, you are right, Shamil.
Oh, I can see that it looks like a very big white Teletubbies. Yeah, it feels like it's a very nice in the outfit on the outside, but I think that it's a bit quite hot and very humid inside, doesn't it?
Yes, Shamil. So this is actually all the sacrifices that we have to go through every day to ensure that our staff is protected from the contamination and exposure of the cytotoxic agent. Meanwhile, we have to ensure that the product that we produce is safe and quality to be used by the patients.
Oh, the drug that will be prepared in this special room have been put inside this special bag. And also we have to put it in this double layer plastic. Why we have to do that, Mr. Casey?
Alright, Shamil, as you can see, all cytotoxic drugs are supposed to pack in this purple color coding bag, okay? And in additionally, you can see there's this cytotoxic logo, which indicates that inside this package actually contains a cytotoxic drugs, okay? So for extra precaution and also in order to avoid further leakage, we actually pack these cytotoxic drugs in 2 layers of plastics, okay? So Shamil, prior to dispense to the patients, actually we have to check the identification of the patient's name, the name of the drugs, and also the dose of the drug. This is to ensure there's no medication error that actually reaches to the patients.
Finally, thank you very much to everyone that having together with us today for this wonderful journey to see behind the scene how the chemotherapy drugs have been prepared. Now all everyone have know how this thing have been done. Thank you very much. That is the end of our show. We hope to see you again next in the upcoming show. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.